additional all India vaccination program will be monitored by the government of India. So I think by end of this month or beginning of July, I think there will be sufficient vaccination flow available to cater to different categories. And also flexibility is coming in categories of people, categories in age group, how we can make it more easy for people to take vaccination. Ultimately the objective, as I have understood from the government of India and from the state government, what we want to do is to make it more easily accessible. And today, as you know, that the government at its facilities is going to give free vaccination by the government of India. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has taken upon himself, and this is going to be a blessing in disguise for every state to reach out to its population. What we are doing is meeting like today Michael was there, the initiatives that he has taken, and check every facility, and from our health services, from various NGOs, various volunteers who are coming forward, help in motivating them, because unless they all come forward, it will be very difficult for us to reach out the target or target segment that we require. Government by itself is doing all it can to reach out and achieve the vaccination, but we require the support of the people, the younger generation, all come, because ultimately our success in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic is coming forward and 100% vaccination so that we are all safe.
Sir, regarding
ना म्हाका कानार येवंक ना, पण तरी बी तुवें सांगल्या प्रमाणे हांव चॅक करता आमी ना थर्ड वेव येवपाची आमी म्हणूंक शकना, पूण थर्ड वेवची तयारी सरकार करता सगळ्या दृश्टिकोनात. आमी म्हणूनच आमकां सगळ्यांक वॅक्सिनेशनाचेर चडशें भर दिवचें पडटलें, कारण तुमीच एक चिंतात, फाल्यां एक ल्हान भुरग्याक जर कोवीड जालें, आई वडीलूच तेज्या वांगडा रावतले, फाल्यां ते जर वॅक्सिनेटेड ना तांकां त्रास जावपाची शक्यता. हे सगळे गोश्टी नजरेत दवरून आमी सगळ्या लोकांक म्हणून आमी एक अपील करता सगळ्या लोकांक की वॅक्सिनेशन तुमी घेवचें. आमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान, सरकारच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हे वॅक्सिनेशन सरकार स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान ऑलरेडी जे डिसिजन घेतला, हे सरकाराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी फॅसिलिटेट करून सगळी कडेन पावपाचो आमी प्रयत्न आमी करता.
सर, the kids also will be vaccinated. The kids also will be vaccinated.
No, this is, I told you, this protocol will come from Government of India. Like yesterday, the protocol has come to treat children from a particular age group, a particular age group. So even the vaccination protocol will come from Government of India. We'll have to go strictly by the protocols that are.
Right now, it is not come.
No, it's not come. It's not come, and it's not only here. It's globally also in so many places. It's not come for the younger kids, because still last phase trials are going on. So as the government gives us direction, we'll go by it. हांव येवन गेल्लो एकदा न्हू, 2-3दा येवन गेल्लो. तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचो प्रॉब्लम आशिल्लो, पण हांव थंय विजीट करतलो. हांव थंय विजीट करून आमी थंय बी वॅक्सिनेशनाची फूल प्लेस त्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन आमी करतले.